Ano lang pong thoughts nyo kasi iba yung pakiramdam pag anak mo na yung kasali sa ganyan eh.
Well, it's unfortunate that she did not make it to the top 4. But sabi ko sa kanya, okay lang yan. You just have to learn from how you lost the game para may chance ka pa mag-improve. No? But sabi ko, don't worry kasi after this, meron pa silang team competition. So, sabi ko, level up ng konti para makamedalya tayo.
Sir, very used ka na sa competition na ganito. Ever since naman naglaro ka, iba't ibang events pa.
Yes.
Ano pong feeling kapag kasi Juliana rin nasa lakutan niya?
Minsan mapapasigaw ako minsan, di ba? Pero ano siguro, naging very prayerful ako kasi pinagdadasal ko sa ko, sana Lord, bigyan mo ng magandang chance na makalaro si Juliana ng maganda. Pero, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But sabi ko, you have to learn from that. May game sila day after tomorrow. Sabi ko, it's another chance for you to strike back.
Very similar to yours. Pero ano yung pinaka nagiging advice mo sa kanya when it comes to sports?
Sabi ko, kailangan talagang pagtsatsaga mo talaga ng gusto. And then you have to go through a lot of competition, a lot of training, a lot of bouts. Yun yung key doon na sinusunod naman niya. So, but like today, I told her, Juliana, we don't win every day. Natalo tayo today, pero don't worry. Meron ka pang game, day after tomorrow. So, bounce back.
Pero ikaw, sir, you're an athlete and a dad to Juliana. So, where do you draw the line?
Sometimes I don't show up. Kasi, when you know the game, nakikita mo yung mistakes eh. And then doon ako napapasigaw minsan, don't do that, do this. Siyempre, ayoko naman na nagugulo rin yung utak kasi meron silang coach, diba? So, one way of doing that, I don't appear. Nakikita ko lang, pag kunyari, malapit na medal ceremony na, doon na lang ako papakita. Para hindi nagugulo yung utak nila.
Thank you, sir.